Good morning, children. Today is a very special day. Today is 26th January, our Republic Day. On this day, our country became a proud and republic country and our constitution was formed. So, through a small drama, we would like to show you unity in diversity. So, let us all welcome our teachers with a big round of applause. Namaste. Namaste. We are Hindus. We celebrate Holi, Diwali and other festivals with love and we follow our traditions.
And so we are proud to stay in India, which allows us to follow our culture.
भारत हमारा देश है.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. We are Muslims. We offer namaz and celebrate Eid, Ramzan Eid with joy and happiness.
Our religion teaches peace, love and brotherhood. And India gives us freedom to pray and live with dignity.
भारत हमारा देश है. Sat Sri Akal. We are Sikhs. We believe in kindness and selfless service.
From Gurudwara's langar to helping others, we serve humanity. India is our pride.
भारत हमारा देश है.
Hello. Praise the Lord. We are Christians. We celebrate Christmas with love.
Jesus taught us forgiveness and kindness. India teaches us respect and unity.
We are proud Indians.
We are Parsis. Our Irani teachings help us to follow good thoughts, good words and good deeds.
We celebrate Nowruz, kindness, honesty and helping each other. India gives our community love, safety, freedom. That is why Bharat Hamara Desh hai.
The land of many religion, languages and culture. But our heart beats as one nation. India respects every religion and culture, and that is why it is proud of its unity in diversity. Today, let us all together make a promise.
We may pray differently, we may dress differently, but we are one India.
Let us all together take a pledge.
We will respect our religion, we will protect our constitution, we will love our country. We are one, we are India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. What did we learn today? Unity in diversity, be it any religion or caste. We must love our country and people around us. So, all of you enjoy the Republic Day. Happy Republic Day!